Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, are you facing Google Play Store pending download error for high-end gaming apps? So if you are getting such issues or such errors, so please be in the video till the end so that I could give you the solution for each and every steps. So here, let's without wasting the. So I hope this video is going to help you out. Time, let's go to phone settings. So let's tap on it. Now tap on apps, tap here. Now tap on app management. Let's tap here. Now find Google Play services for AR. So you can search here Google Play services, you can find here, or you can directly search from the search bar. So let's search it here, Google Play services for AR. Tap on it, and then after that you have to tap on force stop. In your case it will be showing, right, because I have just finished this process and again I'm showing to you. So it is showing as blur, but in your case it will be highlighted. So let's tap on force stop, and then after doing this process you have to tap on storage usage. Let's tap on it. Now after that you can see two options are here, clear cache and clear data. So in your case clear cache, it will be showing here, the searches will be showing here, like, right? So here you have to tap on clear cache. So after clearing the cache, it will be showing as 0 after clearing, right? And then you have to click on clear data. Let's tap on it, and then this app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So you have to, without wasting the time, you have to click on delete without hesitating, because if you're clicking on delete clear data, and once you open the app or forum, you have to give all the permissions again and you have to log in it again. That's it. There is no problem, after clicking the clear data. And then you just need to simply go back and restart the phone. And after restarting the phone, you can go to Play Store. Let's find Play Store. After typing on Play Store, you can find any app, like whatever app or game, whatever you want to download, you will be able to do so. So I hope this video is going to help you out. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.